Place your roast chamber separator. It's best to wear a glove because the edges can be a bit sharp when you're pulling out the roast chamber. You need to put leverage in the middle to pull it out and go ahead and make sure it's clear of the plastic as well. You're going to go ahead and slide this in. There's notice a little tab on the bottom, which is going to line up with the tab in the center on the bottom of the roast chamber. Go ahead and slide that in. You're going to want the pieces to line up for you. You're going to have to give it a little muscle once in a while, and then it'll lock right in. You'll notice, you hear that click. It really does lock right in, and it's in there secure, ready to roast.